I'm the owner of Roxy Lashes, and I'm a licensed eyelash extension specialist and lash instructor. And today we did a hybrid set, which is a mix between classic and a volume technique. So I'm so pleased with the results. These lashes are already bomb, like naturally. They're so long. So we just went in and added some fullness and some length in, and they turned out amazing. You guys can find me at www.roxylashes.com, also at Roxy Lashes on Instagram and Facebook. And I do have some trainings coming up here in Dallas, Texas. I will be traveling to other states to do lash training classes, so you guys check out my website and keep up with me.
What is up to all of my kings and queens? So I'm on my way to my lash appointment. I'm running a little late because I was waiting for my siblings. I know I look crusty, I know I look rough, but they're not here, so I'm gonna have to leave without them. But yeah, I'm about to head to my lash appointment. I'll see you guys when I get there. So this is just one of the forms that I have to read prior to getting the procedure. It's just like, you know, how to care for the lashes post, you know, procedure. And then your personal information is behind it.
First thing that I always do when my client comes in is I clean their natural lashes. That way I start off with a fresh set. The clean natural lashes, the bond will be a lot stronger when the lashes are clean versus them being dirty. So your lashes are there to catch any dust, debris, anything from going into your eyes. So that's why we clean, to get all that stuff out of there, so the bond will be strong and not have a layer in between the extension and the natural lash.
To clean the lashes?
I'm cleaning Bella Lash Detox. I really like their lash cleanser. It gets really foamy, gets all the dirt out. And now I just want you to tilt your head to the side, and I'm gonna flush your lashes. To this side. Laying a paper towel down just for sanitation. And today we're going to be doing a mix set of volume, fans, and classic lashes. So you guys will see me making fans and placing one lash extension to one natural lash. Put your bottoms down. We can close. Okay, let's do this side. You can close.
What does tape bottom stems down for?
So the bottoms don't get stuck to the top. And so I can isolate the top better without the bottoms poking out and getting in the way.